Hey, 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 me again, obviously. So, today, or in this live right here, I'm actually going to show you guys what is in our presenter kit. So if you guys want to keep on watching and seeing what's available in this kit, you guys can get this for $99. The value is amazing. So this value of the presenter kit right now from now to, I think, June? Don't quote me on that. It's every few months that they update it. This kit is the best. And this is the best way to, one, try out Younique for their products. And then not only that, you guys can also try out, if you want to try this as a business, you guys certainly can. So here is our kit. It is so cute. I love the packaging of our welcome kit right here. So here it is. First things first, in this little compartment right here, you guys will get the Epic 4D mascara. This is freaking amazing. I love this mascara. If you want a very dramatic eye or eyelash, this is the mascara for you all. So first things first, first product is our 4D Epic mascara. So the next thing is under this amazing cute tissue paper right here. Here is all the products. So I'm excited to show you all what you're gonna get. So first is this very cute bag right here, okay? I was like, oh man, this bag, you guys. You can put all of your stuff in it, or all of your Younique makeup in. Well, not all of it, obviously. If you have a lot, probably not everything. But it is a cute little bag. It feels a little cheap, which, I mean, it's okay. But it's still so cute, though. It has Younique emblems in here, and it says Younique. So, this is what it looks like. Super cute. But yeah, if you guys have questions, of course, just let me know. If you want to sign up, my link is available for Instagram. It is in my bio. And for YouTube, or not YouTube, oh my gosh, Facebook, it is on in my description box. So here is the cute little bag that you are going to get in your kit. I'm going to stand that up. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm so excited. My face is getting covered. I'm so sorry. All right. First things first, you get our bicellular sheet mask. These are actually really nice, very nice and soothing, hydrating. It gives you some, like, it helps with, like, I don't know, like, it's kind of hard to explain, but you get a nice sheet mask. A sample of our eye cream. Collagen. You get 15 days worth of collagen. So this is amazing. This helps with your skin. It helps with your hair growth. Energy, stuff like that. So I cannot wait. I recommend them being in the refrigerator, because it's not very good whenever it's in, oh, I thought that was Daytona. It's not very good whenever it's in, if it's just warm. I don't think it tastes great, whenever it's warm, but if you put it in the refrigerator, I think it tastes like a sweet tart, a cold sweet tart. I don't know. All right. The next thing you get are a couple brushes, which is amazing. So you get a tapered blusher brush. So you get a tapered blusher brush. I actually have a couple of their blusher brushes. This one looks like the small one, but their brushes are like super soft. Oh, I love it. It is actually really perfect for a blusher brush. I put my blushes, not my blushes, but my brushes through kind of like hell, because, you know, I do. Also, this is our fluffy crease brush. So this is perfect for like the, obviously the crease. So you get a crease brush. Love it. So excited, so excited. All right, so the next thing is, let's see. You get a singular eyeshadow, which is awesome. So this is our empty eyeshadow case right here. And then you get the shade, what is this? What shade is this? Their shadows are super pigmented. This is in shade Fervent. Let's put that sticker on so you guys can put the sticker on here. And it pops right in. And this is the shade Fervent. It's a really nice, soft, matte shade. So it is very nice and pigmented. I really like it. I've actually never really tried this shade before. At least I don't recall trying it. So I think this is a really pretty shade, especially from going into like the winter to springtime. So, I mean, perfect. And you might be able to actually use this as a light, like blush shade. I mean, who knows? I mean, it's your makeup. Might as well, right? I'm so excited. Love this kit already. All right. The next thing is you get some rose water. I love the rose water. It is our toner. Also, if you get burned or anything, you actually can spray wherever you got burned at. And, oh my gosh, I cannot get it out of the box. But here it is. This is what it looks like. You get the smaller deluxe rose water. So, yeah, that's nice. Love it. I actually have a couple of them. Oh, man, they're so nice and soothing. So, you get this. So excited. You get the blusher in Sisterly, which is actually what I'm using right now. Right here. Oh, wrong finger. All right. I was using it. I was about to like put it on my finger where I did the swatch for this. So it is a really pretty like pink shade. I love this shade. It does have a little bit of a shimmer to it. So obviously if you guys are oily, I would not recommend getting this because it could accentuate your oils. But let's wipe that off if I have to do any more swatches. So excited for the blush though. Cannot wait. All right. The next thing is the liquid shadow in Reverent. Now, if you guys are interested in getting our liquid shadows, these are actually really pretty. I actually did a live, I think, not yesterday, but the day before yesterday. And I used this shade and one of our pressed shadows. And perfect eyeshadow. It blends out perfectly. It's super nice. Very creamy. Let me show you. I like this shade a lot too, so. But let me show you the Reverent shade. So I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it is really pretty. It's a light pink metallic shade or tan shade. I don't know. But it is super pretty. Like I said, it blends out like really nice. You can barely see that, but yeah, super nice. Like I said, you guys, if you guys are interested in getting the presenter kit, whether it's you want to sell it or if you want to not sell the presenter kit, but like sell the products or sell the stuff on the site. Oh my gosh. So if you want to do that, or you guys can get these products and use it for your own personal use. So it's whatever you guys want to do, right? All right. The next thing is, that's the blusher. You get, I got backups for backups. You get the Twisted Mascara. Love this mascara. It curls your lashes. It helps your lash growth, which is super nice. It doesn't make, like, your lashes don't feel weird or anything, so it's super, I love this. I love this. I love this. It's, like, my favorite mascara. Oh. All right, the next thing is the Dip and Draw eyeliner. I don't use a lot of liquid eyeliners, quite honestly, but theirs is actually really nice as well. It's nothing too crazy. It's a really nice, pretty black though. So yeah, that's really nice. I'll try to use it. I'm just not very good at it. Oh, yes! I got the lip mask. Oh, I love this lip mask. I'm not going to open this one quite yet, but I used it in my live before, and this lip mask, you can use it before you go to bed, after you go to bed, whenever you put your makeup on. It's a whenever sort of thing, and it smells like mint. I love the scent of it. It does not plump, so if you guys are wanting to know about that, it doesn't plump. But oh, the best lip plumper ever. Or lip plumper, oh my gosh. Lip mask ever. Now, I've tried other lip masks. I've tried the Jeffree Star lip mask and also the Laneige. So the Laneige is really nice as well, but it's not like a crazy, it's not like this. I can't find a dupe for this, so if you guys, I wouldn't say that it's like Jeffree Star, because Jeffree Star's lip mask is quite, like it has a thicker, lip mask. I don't know how to pronounce that. But I've tried a few others, and I mean, I haven't found anything like it. So this is a really good lip mask. All right. The next thing is our, Liquid Splash Lipstick. This is our new one. This is in, I believe, Purple Vein, and I think I have it already. I have it already somewhere. Yeah. So this is Purple Vein. This is mine. And this is a really pretty, like, cool tone purple lipstick. And this is perfect for the sun, like not the summer, but perfect for the winter time, obviously. It's also really nice as well. Like, you guys can dress it up any way you want it. Let's see. You get also the lash primer, which is amazing. I love their lash primer. Oops. I do not. I don't use it as often, but it is a really good lash primer. At least I think so. It still doesn't make your lashes weird or anything. It just helps, like, prime up your lashes, and also it helps with, like making your lashes longer. It makes it look longer, like longer than you expected it to be. But it is still such a good primer for your lashes. So that is it, you guys. If you guys ever want to get this kit and get it now, you guys can go on my website. Now, you guys can go on my Facebook page right now, which I'm on live right there as well. You guys can go in the description box and click on that link. For my Instagram page, you can actually get that in my bio. So if you guys are interested in getting this, I recommend getting it now, because I don't know how long it's really going to be available. If you guys have questions about joining, or if you guys have questions about, just about like the products or our monthly special for Younique, just let me know. I'd love to help you all out. My goal is to advance more into this. And yeah, I just hope to see y'all soon. Bye, guys.